Merry Christmas! It's Christmas Day today, and we've opened our stockings from Santa this morning, and that was really exciting. Got some lovely bits and bobs, just new little knickknacks, and then I've just got myself ready. Well, I say ready, I've still got tracksuit bottoms on because I've got my new top on, you know, the one, oh, this lighting, oh my, it's made from like an old velvet dress, and then I want to wear those burgundy trousers I wore the other day, but they're around at Nana's currently because she had to take them in a bit on the waist, like she had to alter them. So I've just got trackies on, and then Nana and Grandpa will be getting here in about 20 minutes, I think. I'm not sure what the time is. So they're going to be coming around here, and so I'll just like change into them quickly then. And then we're going to have, every year we do Christmas brunch. I'm not much of a cooked breakfast person, so I usually go for some like pancakes, and then we've got some peanut butter. We've found this new like Nutella that doesn't have palm oil in, so I've got some of that to have. I'll show you our spread, and then after that we'll share, you know, give some gifts to each other, all that kind of thing. But it's been a lovely morning so far, although maybe you can hear it in my voice, I woke up with a bit of a cold, so that's annoying, but I'm excited for today. I think if we go into the kitchen now, yep, he's started, Chef Philip, cooking up a storm. Hi everyone, Nana and Grandpa have just arrived. Oh, come this way a bit. Say hello. Hello. And Grandpa as well. Oh, you come this.
Hello everybody, happy Christmas.
So we are soon about to sit down for our brunch. Nana has brought my trousers all nicely altered. You're so talented. I know. Bea is looking lovely in her new dress. Give us a twirl. Oh, so pretty. We're actually matching in burgundy.
Oh, it's the reason hers come through.
So we've just had brunch. I'm feeling quite full because I had a pancake with sugar and lemon on, and a few mini sausages, a hash brown, and bacon. And we're about to open all of the presents. Oh yeah, with Nana and Grandpa.
Oh
my goodness.
It's a Russian doll special.
Non-recyclables in there.
Ribbon.
Oh.
Oh, you are
Smells gorgeous.
Yeah, I think I recognise that.
Some model, so it looks like there could be some bath goodies.
I think I know what it is.
Oh, wow.
Is this from the Treat Boutique
I think there should be 5.
That's wow. Nice, time for me to open my present from Sphere. Nana and I are opening ours.
I'm just opening my present.
Oh my word! Oh. Wow, this is from Sphere, and let me tell you. Wow! Look what she has made.
Oh, is that the one you did at home?
Yeah.
Another one. Absolutely wonderful.
Don't get him going again, Amy.
Oh, I love that picture, Grandpa.
So do I.
Time to cut the Christmas cake. No, aren't you meant to go like there and there, so then you push it back together and it doesn't dry out? Well, yeah.
You know what, these are all the vouchers, like last year.
What are those?
They're all the same, but they've got the present is a clue to what the voucher is.
Well, yeah, there you
Each
go.
voucher.
So what's the
So should
theme?
I open the presents first?
No, look at those. They're all different ones.
What's the theme?
Different vouchers for
They're
her.
vouchers.
Oh, right.
Pia made this. How professional does that look? Sophia, I love you.
If that wakes me up a bit.
Yeah. Take one of Ollie's
Wow.
babies.
It's a collage from wallpaper.
What am I what, sorry?
You do, you've got some dandy.
Oh wow, Sophia! A whole
Wow.
special pan
Look at
packet.
Wow.
Something special here. Wow.
That's non-recyclable.
Yeah,
Which bag
that's
that
the
is?
non-recyclable bag.
Wow. Sophia,
Very
you've
important.
done well for your big sister.
Oh, that is lovely. A
sleep mask.
sleep mask and it's silk. That is lovely. Guys, we just got a really exciting gift for Sophia and I, and it was all done as clues. So first we got some travel bottles, then a luggage tag, then we got pot porridge, but it said we won't be needing this because usually when we go on city breaks we sit in our hotel room and have instant porridge to save money on breakfast. Then we got one of those gummy pizza things, and I jokingly was like, oh my god, we're going to Italy, lol, as a joke. Then we got this, and like, I have an A star in Latin, so I knew straight away that this was a date, because I'm, like, you know, clever. But then later on Mummy also said, you know, Roman numerals for Rome. Anyway, then we got a gift book. So then I was like, oh my gosh, are we actually? And then, Grandpa, can I just borrow that for a minute, please, for my vlog?
No,
Can I just borrow it? Just really quickly, sorry. And then, dun 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 dun, British Airways, and we're going to Rome, and it's so exciting. Thank you. Guys, Nana and Grandpa have just left now. We're all feeling just super grateful and full of love, like they told us in church yesterday, because it's about love, isn't it?
It is about love.
Now Mummy's just being really good. We're just cross-checking once again that all our recycling is not contaminated with any sellotape or anything. This is our bag of non-recyclables. You know, unfortunately there were some.
I think we have done amazingly
But
well.
we've produced, this is completely uncontaminated. There's no sellotape or anything. No, that's all
No,
there
there
was.
isn't. Except
And
for
because this,
recyclable.
we did buy some of this, but this is recyclable sellotape. But everything else we went through, picked it all off, so that whatever's in here will definitely get recycled. We've done well. Have you had a good day?
I had a brilliant
It's
time.
been
I have
lovely,
been
hasn't it?
spoilt rotten.
So have I.
I love my family.
Love our
I love my
family.
family. Everybody's put so much thought into
They have,
everything,
haven't they?
haven't
Like,
yeah.
everyone, like, down from Sophia, she has handmade so much of her stuff, which is so sustainable, first of all, but just so creative, and like genuinely she puts so much thought into things, and everyone really just puts so much
Ollie,
thought
you
in.
put loads of thought
Yeah,
in.
Ollie really did well this year.
You did.
Thank you. You always, Mummy always manages to one up, like, you think you've done well, and then she'll
Don't
magic
say,
something
oh,
out.
No.
And she brings it out in the last one, and you think, I thought I'd done well, and then she one-ups us, or 10-ups us, but we love her.
Yeah, we love everybody. We've had a
Yeah,
lovely time.
really good. Even Daddy like adding things like your little voucher into a cookbook,
I know,
so it's not just
I
putting
know.
like theatre tokens.
I know, we're going to have a lot of outings next
Yeah,
year.
we've got a lot of like already so many theatre trips like planned because of things. Like, I'm off to see Stacey Daly.
Stacey Daly.
Stacey Dooley at the Barbican. She's doing like conversations with. I think part of it's based off her book she wrote, which I read and was
I think you'll be
like
able to
so incredible and
You'll be able to
inspiring.
concentrate if you...
Yeah, I'm going on my own, but I love going, you know, to like the theatre on my own or whatever as well, so I can just really like hone in on what she's saying, and I think it'll be quite like female empowerment. And I've got the new Hillary Clinton book that she wrote with her daughter Chelsea Clinton, so I feel like that's all very like feminist and it's just gonna be super
Lots of
inspiring.
eco products.
Lots of eco stuff as well. Yes.
We're all happy.
Hi guys, I'm currently using the torchlight for my phone. Are we going down this way?
Going straight down the village. No, I think we're
Oh.
going towards the lights, Christmas lights, aren't we?
I really can't see a thing. I clearly can't walk in a straight line either. Daddy?
Yes.
We're going for a walk around the village, but I am actually really hindering myself because there's no street lights, and by shining this torch I literally can't see a thing. Anyway, we just thought we'd get some fresh air before we head round for like you know, cheese and biscuits at Nana's later and games and stuff. I'm now
Walking sideways.
I'm just going to turn this torch off so that I can actually see where I'm going.
Put it on slow.
Power, come on. Yes. Here we go. Speed. 1.
Oh! Oh! Wow, Grandpa. Stop it. Oh, wow. Hi guys, we've now made it round to Nana's. I have got a J2O because I don't really drink. And let me show you, it has glitter in it. Also, cute tree. Woo! Wow, look at the glitter. Ooh. That is a low blow. There's 2 veggies here and there are 4 feta samosas. And what's this? Caught red-handed? You're not going to eat that? I don't believe it. He's gone and ruined Christmas Day.
What do you call those Indian ones?
I don't want that bit left now.
Samosas.
I don't believe this.
Cheating.
Am I a cartoon character?
No.
No. Am I sporty?
No.
No.
What's
Am
that?
I Disney princess?
Yes.
Yay!
Woo! I'm Disney princess. Disney princess. Huh? Oh no! I have a guess.
I've guessed who
Cinderella.
No. Hi guys, we've reached a very exciting part of Christmas Day. It is time for the bells. This has been a tradition in our family now for how many years, team?
6, probably.
6 years maybe. They came from crackers, we saved them, we reused them again and again, and it's always just great fun. Ollie's conductor this year. We're all sat in order. I've been given 2 bells, so I'm quite competent.
And me.
And Mummy.
Well, why can't I have 2?
No, you
I
have
got
one.
2.
No. We have to give our great Nana Mary, she was always number 7. It didn't have a lot to do, but she contributed what she could. And we always think of her when we ring our bells every year. So Grandpa is number 7 this year, and yeah, this is 1. This is number 2.
King of Israel.
Right, go.
Yeah.
Get ourselves into.
Amy.
That was Mummy who beat
Wait, what?
Madonna
Hey.
when it was my go.
You're holding the bell, you idiot!
You need to hold the handle.
Oh,
Hey!
Oh, this is just truly pathetic.
I have to go again. Nana.
No, you need to hold them on handle.
What a mare. Oh! Grandpa's back. It's going to go well now.
Okay.
Excuse me, I haven't had a go.
Yeah, now you're in this a lot. Towards the end, yeah. Mummy.
She'll have changed song again.
I'm not in this at all. I'm now number 8.
Oh
my God! I'm a bell in that.
Wait, number 8.
You're in the departure lounge.
Grandpa, you have your special ring in section 5.
How many
If we ever
dogs do
get
I
that
have?
far.
barely got through section 2.
I'm not being funny, guys. I think I'll be a really good conductor.
I'm not being funny about